We all love our pets, but shit happens. So that's why today we're showing you guys the quickest and most efficient way of removing pet hair from your interior. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with removing all the pet hair on the interior, but before we get there, there's one thing that we wanna do, and that is vacuum. Now, given I am going to be vacuuming the pet hair with our rubber pet hair remover brush, the first thing that I wanna do is tackle all of this right here. So if you guys take a look up close, you know, Minnie decided to go on a beach adventure, and there's all kinds of sand on the interior, especially in the cracks and crevices of the seats. And before we go any further, I do wanna apologize. There's gonna be a lot of background noise. The detail garage is very busy.
Rolling? Let's get amped. Hello, fellow Americans, in 3.
But that won't stop us from getting a deep clean. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, whenever I tackle this interior, I'm gonna work from the top and work my way to the bottom. So just kind of like how you do on the exterior of the vehicle, we're gonna start off with the seats up here, but you may see me holding a brush right now. You guys may be saying, you know, what are you doing with the brush? You have no cleaner in your hand. And that's because I'm gonna be brushing out all the dust and sand that's on the top part of the seats, because the last thing that I wanna do is vacuum, only to have to vacuum all over again whenever I knock this stuff loose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just quickly give the leather a touch up and all the little hard to reach cracks and crevices just to loosen up the sand, and that way it doesn't get in our way. All right, so now that I've gotten the sand from all the top part of the leather seats out, now I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the rest. All right, so we just finished vacuuming the leather seats, and the great thing about these leather seats is that the hair doesn't stick to it and it makes it easy for us to clean. But here's the real problem down here when it comes to your carpeted and upholstery surfaces. Now, when it comes to pet hair, what ends up happening is it gets lodged within the fibers of your carpets and upholstery, and it makes it nearly impossible for you to just go ahead and vacuum it out. So that's why we have this fancy little tool right here. This is our rubber pet hair remover brush. So this brush is extremely easy to use. All you have to do is simply brush the carpet as you normally would. I should have got a little seat. So I should have got like a little chair or something. Let's go. And then once you're all done scooping up the hair into one area, you can go ahead and turn on your vacuum and just suck all that hair up. Ooh. And for the next step, after removing all the pet hair and the sand, now all we're gonna do is just give it a quick little wipe down with one product, like our Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Now, if you guys don't know, Total Interior is an all-in-one cleaner and protectant. So it works on basically all of your interior surfaces, including leather, fabric, vinyl, plastic, rubber, you name it, whatever I missed, navigation screens, glass, they're coming to me, wood grain, you name it. It's gonna work out great on all occasions. And it's a very easy to use product. All you have to do is simply spray your towel and then start wiping it down. And I'm just doing this to remove any kind of dog drool that's in this back seat. There was a few little stains here, but nothing too bad. I just want to make sure that this is all nice and tidy for the owner of this vehicle. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly clean this up. One of the areas that I really did want to clean up was this door panel, believe it or not, because there's a lot of dog drool right here on the glass, on the door handle, the windowsill, you name it. So we're just going to go ahead and just give this a nice little quick clean, and we're also going to be protecting the surfaces all in one go. Ugh, this thing is freaking, it's crusty. It's crusty, Dimitri. Dimitri, do you have a dog? And that's how quick and easy it is to get the job done right with our rubber pet hair remover brush. So even though your interior may look like a disaster, there's all kinds of pet hair all over the place, never fear, the rubber pet hair brush is here. That was not intentionally meant to rhyme, but if you guys enjoyed it, all right. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we used in today's video, they're all going to be linked in the description and in the pinned comment down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.